step for man, one giant leap for
New Rock. This is America's space station. This is Third Rock.
This is Dr. Alphonse C. Sterling at the Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama. So on your screen now you are seeing the totally eclipsed moon. It is now it's approaching 6 a.m. in the central time zone, and we are just about 5 minutes beyond the maximum eclipse. So the period when the moon is deepest in the shadow of the Earth for this eclipse. That occurred at 5:55 a.m. Central Time, 6:55 Eastern Time, and 3:55 in Pacific Time Zone. And this total phase will continue for another 24, almost, about 23 minutes now. So it ends at 6:24 Central Time and 4:24 Pacific Time. For this eclipse, the total phase is lasting almost an hour. The total phase is actually 58 minutes and 50 seconds, to be precise. So we hope that you will take advantage of this opportunity to view the eclipse if it's clear in your area. I've just been told that a family in Central Florida got their children up to enjoy the view. And so that we hope that many people will be able to observe this this phenomena. This eclipse today is the second of a series of eclipses that are occurring in relatively rapid succession. The eclipses are spaced about 6 months apart, and the four of them together this way is called a tetrad. It's not a particularly special phenomena. It's a bit rare in that it doesn't occur that frequently, but there's nothing particularly special or unusual about it. It's just a consequence of the relative orbits of the Earth around the Sun and the Moon around the Earth that arranges for this particular type of cyclical behavior to occur in this particular pattern. All the motions of the Earth and of the Moon are well understood, and in a sense it's a simple geometry problem, in the sense that it's there isn't real elaborate complications that are involved. Of course, doing the actual calculations requires some effort, or now of course it's done quite efficiently with computer programs. But these motions are very basic motions and dynamics of the celestial bodies, and it's something that we can calculate to a extremely high degree of accuracy, and that's why we can give you these times so precisely, saying that the eclipse will end at 6:24 Central Time, for example, or the precise duration of the eclipse of the total phase being 58 minutes and 50 seconds. So, as I said, this is the second in a series of 4 eclipses that all occur over a relatively short time span, and the next 2 in this series will occur in 2015, so next year, and those will be on April 4th and September 15th. So if it happens to be cloudy in your area this time, or you aren't able to enjoy it this time, then hopefully next time you'll be able to. Lunar eclipses are visible over large swaths of the Earth's surface. Basically, if the moon is falling, or the time during which the moon is falling into the Earth's shadow,